The newest Agiloft release introduces some exciting design changes to the user interface to make it easier than ever to work in Agiloft. Let's walk through the changes together. To move through the system, use the new top navigation bar. Each item on the nav bar represents a different table, a group of tables, or a collection of data in the system. Here, I can open chart collections, My Assigned, and Last Opened. The nav bar has more than one group of options. To switch groupings, click the menu icon in the upper left and select a different one. When I select the Contracts grouping, the nav bar shows a new set of items: Contracts, Approvals, Attachments, and Tasks. The groupings are initially configured by administrators, but users can go to the Preferences menu to customize their personal nav bar. You can also search from the navigation menu to jump directly to a table that isn't included in this grouping. Maybe I remember I wanted to look at the approval workflows. I can search Approval and jump to the Approval Workflow table from here. When I open it, it is temporarily added to the nav bar. You can see all your available groupings and tables using View All. We'll stay in Contracts for now. Use the drop-down arrow to access saved searches, charts and reports, and the Setup Table wizard, depending on your permissions. In the table view, you can dynamically adjust column sizes, and even drag and drop columns to change their order. The contract I want isn't showing here, so let's switch from the Save Search to Show All. Now that I don't have any search criteria applied, let's do a quick search from right here in the table view. To open Quick Search, click Search in the action bar, just like in the prior interface. Notice that Quick Search already has some key fields in here as filters. These are defined in the table view, so you can add or remove filters yourself. I have Title, End Date, Company Name, and Status, because I use those a lot. Let's start by narrowing down by company. The records update as soon as I choose a search criterion. Now I want to search for contracts over a certain amount. To add a filter that isn't here already, use the Add Filters section to add an advanced filter. You can add as many advanced filters as you want, and you can even remove them individually if you need to, instead of having to start over. Let's close Quick Search again. Click Search in the action bar to toggle the search pane. Using Quick Search, also change the table header from All Records to Custom Search. You can click the drop-down arrow to go back to a saved search. What if you aren't sure what table the record is in? Let's try a global search for Acme Micro, the company name we used. By default, Global Search selects the table you're in. Let's search all the tables. Global Search looks for your search term in all the tables available in your navbar. That means any table that shows in any navbar grouping. The Search Results pane shows how many results were found in each table. Let's see the results in the Attachments table. This shows all the results for Acme Micro in the Attachments table. You can switch tables by clicking Expand List in the search pane here, or click Top Results to return to the global list. Finally, let's take a quick look at the record view. The record view looks a little different, but it works much the way it did. Notice the key navigation options are pinned at the top as you scroll, so you can always access other tabs and use the Save and Cancel buttons. Now that you're familiar with the new navigation and search tools, go try them out for yourself. Thank you for watching this tutorial.